The boys is back in town. Chase said he bring his debit card just in case we want some snacks. And he ain't got no snacks for us. Why is that, Chase? Why? See there? Because you don't be caring. Look how big he done got. Look how big. Look at Cliff. He done caught up with Cliff. Ain't that something? And this is one y'all ain't seen in a long time. Look at his face. He's a grown man now. Don't make no sense.
Nice little kid.
Yeah, they gonna be taller than me. All right, like a tour. Like I ain't never been nowhere when you with me.
No.
You know I gotta make content. I'm surprised. Oh, you don't do the content.
I didn't even wake up.
It's the CJ to go.
I'm supposed to be doing it.
They don't do the content when they with their daddy.
I'm gonna still record and take some videos. It's not too late to talk.
Chicago. Like I said, last time we was down here, I think he was like 8 months years old. And Chase wasn't even thought of.